Gorayev. Calling on our Lady Bulldogs. Let's start off with our guest player with jersey number 3, Elijah Daphne Santiago. With jersey number 4, Carmina Aganon. At number 9, Aiko Urdas. The season's best attacker.